got my Clark Kent glasses on so nobody recognizes me. Now in today's video, we're going to answer the burning question of, was Superman born on planet Krypton, or was he born here at a young Jerry Siegel's house on the east side of Cleveland? And rumor has it, we may even be invited inside to see the actual bedroom of Jerry Siegel, where he created the Man of Steel. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to take off. Alright, we're here at Hopkins Airport, and right when you get off the plane, in baggage claim 10, they have this amazing Superman display to let you know that Superman is from Cleveland. There's the Man of Steel right there. I like the old black and white TV here, since he was created back in the 30s by Jerry Siegel. It even says right here, did you know Superman was created in Cleveland? After this video, you will know.
That is fire.
I like this phone booth over here. It goes from Superman to Clark Kent back to Superman. It's so awesome. Oh, there's a good view of the whole display. So good. Right here at Hopkins Airport. Superman has appeared in animated series, live action series, major motion pictures, advertisements, and comic books, where his popularity grows with each generation of readers. And this plaque was dedicated in 2003. So right here in this Glenville neighborhood on the east side of Cleveland is where Superman was created. Let's go see if we can find Jerry Siegel's house. Here on the corner of Kimberly and Parkwood, aka Jerry Siegel Lane and Lois Lane, we're on the east side of Cleveland. This is where a young teenager named Jerry Siegel first came up with the idea of Superman. And Jerry Siegel's house is right up here. And here it is, right here, Jerry Siegel's house. I love the S on the front. And if you look up in the windows, you can see some Superman pajamas up there. Let's see what the plaque says. It says, this is the house where Superman was born. Writer Jerry Siegel was a teenage boy who lived here during the Great Depression, one of the toughest economic times for Cleveland and the country. Jerry wasn't popular, he was a dreamer, and he knew how to dream big. With his best friend, artist Joe Shuster, these two boys created a bright fantasy world of spaceships, strange planets, and a city where a young man in red and blue tights could leap over tall buildings in a single bound. They called him Superman. They didn't just give us the world's first superhero, they gave us something to believe in. Of course, I grew up in the 70s and 80s, so I was obsessed with the Christopher Reeves Superman movies. But before that, there was the TV series Adventures of Superman, starring George Reeves. Now, I was also obsessed with The Death of Superman, the 1993 comic, which I still have to this day. Oh, this would be cool. With the death of Superman and the birth of Superman in the same shot. It's genius. So I still have this from almost 30 years ago. It's still in pretty good shape. Now the death of Siegel's father had a lot to do with the creation of Superman because he died of a heart attack when their family clothing store was robbed. Some of the earliest sketches of Superman looked a lot like his father, saving a man at gunpoint. Now Superman's alter ego, Clark Kent, is said to be a combination of words from actors Clark Gable, who was also from Ohio, and B-movie actor Kent Taylor. Clark Kent worked at the Daily Planet alongside with his love interest Lois Lane. And that character was created right here in this house in Glenville on the east side of Cleveland. Amazing. It's just a regular neighborhood with a huge imagination. Happened right here back in the 30s by Jerry Siegel.
Okay.
Alright, going into Superman house. Oop. How long have you guys lived here?
I've been here almost 35 years.
Amazing.
Yeah. Oh, I got so much stuff.
Did you know the history of the house when you bought it or after you moved
I
in?
did. It was in 1980 something when the Historic Society sent me a note telling me that this gonna be a historic landmark.
Oh, wow.
This is Brad Melton, who had the house renovated. This is Jerry Siegel, wife, daughter, grandkid. This is the Shuster, Joe Shuster people right there.
Oh, wow, that's neat.
Yeah. Dick Tracy.
Oh, yeah.
The guy from Dick Tracy. He said, okay, let me, so you can see his.
So the guy who wrote Dick Tracy said he wrote Dick Tracy, but he loves Superman.
He loves Superman.
So he had to see the house for himself.
Oh, yeah.
That's.
I couldn't get rid of him. Oh, wait till you see. I'm gonna show you
I'm excited.
Jerry bedroom.
Yeah. Great.
And then I'm gonna show you the room that been dedicated to the Superman. Okay. Where you going?
Oh, wow.
You going?
Yeah, I see. I see what you mean. Yeah,
Yeah.
pajamas, shirts, everything.
I got everything.
VHS.
Yeah, this is the picture that the handicapped guy drew. He sat right there and
Oh,
did
that was really good, though.
He good. He
Yeah.
was good.
Huh.
His brother had a suit on that he said he made it himself. I said, wow. I have so many famous people come here that it's ridiculous. And I think this Brad, the one who wrote Superboy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice that you have that little museum set up here and let people check it out.
Mm-hmm. They check it out and let's see.
Wow.
This was the color of the house when
Originally, yes.
I had painted that color. And then it said Superman was born on Kimberly. And this is Brad. He sent all them little books. He said, I see that you didn't have a whole lot of books and stuff.
Yeah.
There's been so many famous people been here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are all great.
Yeah.
They're right where they belong, too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
So this was Jerry Siegel's room right here?
Yeah, this was he did most of his drawing
Wow.
and his writing and
Yeah.
stuff. And
Created Lois Lane, Clark Kent, and Superman right here in this room.
And you know Shaq,
Yeah,
he
he's
likes Superman, so
Yeah, sure.
yeah, he loves Superman too.
That is great.
I tell you, this amazing that shoot. People get to come in. Shoot.
I know. Cleveland doesn't have a whole lot of, you think of like Hollywood and stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
But at least Cleveland's
People
got.
in Hollywood don't even know too much about this Superman house cause they be like,
Yeah.
huh? We said, yeah.
So it's nice to have something of our own.
Yeah, you right. Well, I have so many people. I'm surprised. Ain't about 20, 30 people out there now. You to be tour buses and limousines.
Wow.
We got so much stuff.
You do.
Yes, I do.
I was happy to see the outside. I had no idea I'd
Yeah.
get this gift of seeing the inside
yeah.
too. I appreciate your time on a
Oh,
Sunday.
yeah. Anytime. They got so many artists about Superman. Yeah.
It's one thing to see history in a book or in a movie, but to see it in person is
Yeah.
a great thing.
Yes, it is, ain't it?
Yes.
The 6, I think, I'm not for sure.
Yeah, close enough.
Yeah, you close enough.
Yep.
to it. Yeah. Indeed, a whole lot of people that came and this is Brad. I got all Brad pictures around here. Oh, I got a picture of the guy in here, brother. The guy in it. He said he made this suit himself.
Oh, yeah.
He said he made that. He said that's his brother with it back. The one that did the drawing. There they go right there.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, some people are really into it, huh?
Yeah, that's my daughter coming. Take me to church.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I'll let you get to church.
Okay.
Thank you. Now right here on Joe Shuster Lane, this is where the home was of Joe Shuster. It's no longer there. They built another home. But they have this awesome tribute on the fence of some of his drawings. Just a couple blocks down from Jerry Siegel. So right here is where the original drawings of Superman were created, on the east side of Cleveland in this Glenville neighborhood, back in 1938, June of 1938. I'm guessing that comic book is worth some money if you happen to see it laying around somewhere. Just this style of comic book drawing still looks similar to what we have today, and he had nothing to go off of. I love it. I love the history. Lifting cars. I just think it's crazy that Superman was originally a villain, but that didn't last long. And how something that was created so long ago is still such a staple in our culture today. In this small little community on the east side of Cleveland. Now, in a terrible mistake, back in 1938, Jerry Siegel and Joe Shuster sold the rights to everything connected to Superman to Detective Comics for a total of only $130. I mean, can you imagine? They've made millions, probably $1 billion off of Superman. And they signed away all their rights for a measly $130. Now DC realized they made a huge mistake and agreed to give Jerry Siegel and Joe Shuster $20,000 a year pensions, and it even went up more after that. So luckily DC finally did the right thing and gave credit where credit was due, and didn't let these great artists from Cleveland die in poverty. But I love the tribute to Joe Shuster they put on the fence here, and it was even destroyed by a drunk driver, and Cleveland didn't put up with it. They built it bigger and better. That's our attitude around here. I love the history of my hometown here in Cleveland. I'm a little outside of Cleveland, but I consider this my hometown, so anything that has to do with the history of it, I'm all about it. Especially something as iconic as the Man of Steel. Blows my mind that it was invented right here in my own backyard. I just love the story of how these two teenage kids from the east side of Cleveland defined what a true superhero really is. I just want to say thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.